Hey guys, so today I'm just out in the forest. Winter's come, got my snowshoes out. I'm just going for a walk to see what I can find. Looking for any wildlife or perhaps even just any interesting trees I see along the way. Beautiful day, but yeah, let's go see what I can find. So I can hear some black woodpeckers further up the hill. It's pretty hard, slow going, but I'll keep heading up. I was up there a few weeks ago, just after the first snowfalls come, and I found some black woodpeckers up there then. I guess they're still there, which is cool. So I'll head up, see if I can find them. I can hear him. He's just up there somewhere. So I'm a bit far away. I'm going to try and get closer, but don't want to startle him or scare him. So I'm trying to zigzag up, try and keep out of his sight as I walk up. I think there's a second one. Oh, he just came a whole lot closer. I was walking up the hill a bit closer, then he flew up right close. So I've just stopped here. He's right in that tree. I've been taking lots of photo and video. I'm shooting with my Nikon Z8. 1600 shutter speed. Because I would like to catch him flying if possible at some point, if I'm lucky. Also, his head moves pretty fast when he's tapping. f6.3, which is wide open for this lens. There's lots of light, so I was at f8 before just to try and get ultimate image quality. And the ISOs are going pretty low at the moment. It's on auto ISO, but it's going pretty low because there's tons of light. A little bit backlit with the sun where it is right now. Oh, he's moving. I better take some more photos and video. So he's moved up a bit higher. Not in the ideal place for light now, he's just a silhouette. I might need to move around a little bit to get into a better position. Thankfully my sneezing didn't scare him off. He doesn't actually seem very worried about me. I'm quite surprised, he's not worried about me at all. He's the one that came up close to me. So it's a bit tricky to get a good angle on him. The sun's behind him. If I go over the other side, then I end up way downhill of him. It's a bit tricky. There was a little green bird too. Can't remember the name of it, I'll put it up soon. Landed right above me. It was an awesome looking bird, so I climbed up the hill a bit to get a better angle of him, but he disappeared before I could get some decent photos. So I did get some video and photos. So it's pretty cool. I spent the last hour or so following the black woodpecker about. There's also a green one, I'm not quite sure what it's called. I was hoping to get some flying shots at black woodpecker, but never managed it. Well, I might have. There's a few times I might have got something, but I haven't looked yet. Don't think any of the flight shots worked though. I'm just hoping something good enough in there that make me want to print it. Just going to wander back home through the forest. If I see anything interesting on the way, I'll grab some extra photos.